Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're in Ikea. So gotta be careful out there these days with all these hackers. Sometimes you just gotta tell those haters, fuck off. God, Morgan Freeman. You best be kidding me.
You know all those long distance relationships? They're far love.
Girl, I just tell them haters to back off.
I just smacked a face.
Just walking through.
I wanna see.
What the? Where's my dragon? Where's my dragon? Where's my dragon?
She is your best.
Ikea, you better be sponsoring me.
$1,799.
That a lot?
No, hold on. $9,971.
No, that's even more.
Nobody loves me.
I grabbed my last bow and Lance bowed him.
That was a fail.
Don't mind me. I'm just typing my document here.
These puns are really bad. Oh,
Hey, there's me in my PJ pants.
It's my favorite.
I want every kitchen here. Don't tell anyone. I'm going to rob this place when I make it big.
Oh my gosh.
What?
I just found a boomerang.
Oh no! Boomerang! Did it come back? Holly, what'd you doing? What'd you doing? That's not for you.
Chardonnay. 1965.
Must love berries. What? They must love berries.
Why?
Ew. Holly, where? Holly, what'd you say about this? Look it.
Who put the blueberries in the microwave again?
Charles! What you doing there? Just grinding up some herbs.
Who took all the popcorn and where did my frosting go?
You can't even spell bananas here. It's bananas.
This gets a 4. No, a 3.5 It's nice though. But there's no food. It's out of stock.
Say hi.
Hi. They told me to go out of.
How do these people live in Ikea? They have empty fridges. When do they go shopping? At the thing down the thing?
Road down, yeah.
What'd you say about the desserts? I hate it.
It's like I found a dead.
Thank you, next. You can't say that because you've not gotten a boyfriend yet.
No, listen to me.
I love this color. Someone's being salty.
Whoa! Oh my! I love this thing.
You guys are freaking out about kitchen?
Yes.
I watched too many kitchen shows. This is good lighting. Look. It says take an IKEA catalog. I found my catalog. Sorry guys, I've had no time to post, but you know, this is the only time I can post. And it's gonna be a bad one, but I hope you get a laugh at it. So sorry that the video is so close to my face. It's just that there's a lot of people here and there's one coming right now, but I don't want to think that I'm weird, which I am, but they don't know that.
Where's everyone? Jasper, wherever you are, stand right here. Right now.
Oh my gosh! Okay. Be in a circle, and then I'm gonna put you back.
Jasper, where are you?
I'm putting. Okay. You gotta
If you don't cut up.
I only got a part of this, but this is funny. Okay, guys, we're back at my Nana's house. Sorry, there's a lot of kids in the background.
Yeah, they're
But
really loud.
yep. But we're done with IKEA from like 3 hours ago.
Yeah.
We got back, we played some werewolf, and
Good
then they got Krispy Kreme.
4 boxes.
4 boxes for a whole family because it's huge.
There's 20 people.
And we had 4 boxes.
48 donuts.
Yeah. Anyways, please like this video and subscribe.
Love you guys.
Sorry I haven't been posting much. It's been really crazy lately, but I'll try to post when I can. But please comment what you want to see next. Thanks. Bye.